Namaskar, my dear farmers. I am Dr. Kishan Chandra, Director, National Center of Organic Farming, Ghaziabad. As you all know, this office is under the Ministry of Agriculture, and we are educating you since from last 5 years about the waste decomposer application and its use. So we have seen latest one with preparation of liquid manure. Liquid manure is we have prepared with the drop of the goats. Now that has a one separate value. Similarly, other waste like our horse waste, or you can say horse dung, or your any animal dung, like horse, like elephant, your other elements what you have pets in your house or ships. So these have all manures has different values. Today I want to demonstrate you the horse dung, how much it is useful. This is the horse dung I have collected. You can see it in the bag, and this you can see. You see the lot of fibers are there. This horse dung is very much useful. It contains your nitrogen about 1%, phosphorus is 0.3%, and potash is very high. It is 1.5%. So this is very rich in the your potassium, as well as minerals. If you say calcium, magnesium, copper, and zinc. Zinc is found in this dung only. This is the main important. That is not present in any other your dung. Besides this also contains your lot of glycolin, and if you see the smell of this our dung, it is slightly penetrating to our nose. It is contains very special type of bacteria, so which is also helpful to control the diseases. That is very important. Other dung, if you are taking cow, buffalo, or any other dung, that bacteria is very less, but here is one particular bacteria is very high, that I am not mentioning the name because I know it will copy and some other people will start the your products. So, but for you, it is a very useful, and even it will control your diseases like borer diseases and other diseases. Lot of benefits you will find. So, it is also very rich in your organic carbon. These are the main important sources. Then other things also it is present. Your main thing, if you are using this cow dung as a liquid manure, what I am going to demonstrate you, it will give you best your soil structure in the field. So that is a lot of benefits. First I will show you how to prepare this your dung that I have shown you last time also. The liquid manure, how you are preparing. So it is required only 5 kg of dung. Any horse, it may be horse, it may be your donkey, it may be your mule. Any this types of species, if you are getting that dung, you have to take 5 kg is enough. Take it and put it, that I am going to demonstrate you. Put it in the, it is a waste decomposer solution we have taken. It is 50 liter. So you can take 50 liters, 60 liters, 100 liters, no harm. But this your dung minimum 5 kg, or you can take a 10 kg, 20 kg, there is no harm. So we are going to make a just like pottery. So here we have made this. So now we are going to fill it full. It is now prepared. Now we have to just close it, tight it with the some rope. Now it is ready, we will put inside. That's all. Now you can see we have tightened this I can say potly, and it is dipped in our waste decomposer solution. So we are going to keep it for 7 days. 7 days is ideal, but you can keep up to 10 days. Keeping longer has no harm. You can keep up to 1 year. But when you are going to use it, suppose we have taken the 5 liter from it, 5 liter we have to use by spray. At least per plant, per crop, we have to 2 sprays required for one single liquid manure. This single liquid manure means our waste, whatever waste I am going to prepare, it is horse dung. So horse dung manure, liquid manure is ready. So 5 liter will take this our liquid. Along with that, 30 liter will put the waste decomposer solution, and the rest is water. 30 plus 5, 35, plus we are going to put 65 liter of water. So 100 liter it will make up, and then we will spray in the 1 acre of land. So this 2 spray of the entire life of the plant is must. If it is a perennial plant, even then 2 spray per year you can do, or 3 or 4 also you can go. And for the short duration crop, you can 2 sprays required. Similarly, when you have prepared the goat drops manure, liquid manure, that also you have to spray. All this manures has to be sprayed separately. Don't mix it. If you are mixing it, this because all the plants take your nutrition as an ionic form. So when this waste decomposer solution has a specialty, it breaks everything in ionic form. So when you are taking the liquid manure of the horse, it's all your calcium, magnesium, you can test it, calcium, magnesium, copper, zinc, it will be in ionic form. So uptake of the plant will be very easy, and it will give you instant benefit. Once you are spraying, within 3 days plant will absorb. So don't mix it. When again you are going to use a this goat manure, liquid manure, that you spray after 3-4 days. So similarly, fish waste manure, this bone meal manure, or any meat you are taking it, that waste also you can put in the potly and put it inside for the 10 days, because meat is harder, so you can keep it to 20 days, and all the nutrition will come out. Then when you are going to spray it will give you extraordinary benefit. And this potly can be reused every time. So when it is 5 liter you have taken it, again you put 5 liter, 6 liter waste decomposer solution, it will ready after 7 days. So, or you can use it continuously, it has no harm. So this type of manure, liquid manure, are very much useful. So each and every dung is required for the cultivation of any crop. It is not only we can say this dung is okay, the other dung is better. All dung has a different value in bacterial value, nutrition value. Nutrition value is not very much high. Organic carbon matter is very high. So some promotes this horse dung, the horse manure. It promotes the microbial multiplication. So bacteria multiplication is very much high in the field where you are using this horse dung. Similarly, other dungs also you can use it and see the benefits. So I hope after getting the benefit, you will share your videos, your experience, and I am firm you will get the best results.